Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: a compatible NVMe to PCIe adapter, a thermal pad, and a free X4 or X16 slot. Ground yourself and power down. Once open, inspect the slot and case clearance. Make sure your motherboard BIOS is updated and UEFI mode is enabled because NVMe booting usually requires UEFI. While one hand secures the drive, the other confirms you have the correct adapter orientation. These first actions prevent compatibility problems before you ever touch the drive. You now physically mount the NVMe onto the adapter, aligning the M key and gently seating the module. Use a thermal pad on the controller for cooling. Once mounted, insert the adapter into the motherboard's highest bandwidth PCIe slot, prefer X4 or X16, to preserve performance. If the adapter requires auxiliary power, attach it now. After securing the bracket screw, boot to BIOS and verify the device appears on the PCIe/NVMe list. If it's not visible, reseat and recheck power and slot selection. You finish by initializing and partitioning the NVMe inside your operating system, or cloning your existing drive if you're migrating. When installing an OS, choose the NVMe as the target and set it as the primary UEFI boot device. Make sure installation media is UEFI compatible. Once installed, run a short throughput test to confirm performance. If the drive is not detected, the key troubleshooting step is to reseat the adapter. Confirm BIOS NVMe settings and PCIe lane allocation, and verify the adapter's compatibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.